Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 7 version and hardware. 32 versus 64-bit matters for drivers. Once done, download the exact driver for your adapter model and save it to a USB stick so you can transfer files offline. Make sure to disable antivirus briefly to avoid installer blocks, then physically plug the USB adapter or install the PCI card into your PC. You're now ready to run the installer. Proceed with the driver package you placed on the USB stick and follow on-screen prompts. Run the driver installer with administrator privileges, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, because elevated rights let the setup register drivers in system folders. If the package asks, pick the driver matching your Windows 7 architecture. Then open Device Manager to confirm Windows recognizes a network adapter entry. If it shows an exclamation mark, reinstall or select Update Driver and point to the USB folder. Finally, reboot the computer so services load properly and the adapter initializes. Keep the device. Once Windows is up, open Network and Sharing Center and click Connect to a network, then choose your SSID and enter the wireless password. This completes the typical setup. If no networks appear, make sure the adapter is enabled in Device Manager and try reinstalling the driver. If you connect but have no internet, reset networking stacks by opening an elevated command prompt and running netsh int IP reset, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew. This single troubleshooting step often clears misconfigured TCP/IP settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.